So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the TRUGLO TFX PRO sights. So here on the right, we can see the sight picture, and you'll notice how the front sight has that orange circle. So they do call these their fortress finish, but essentially it's just a matte black. Duty proven, low light visibility, and then you even have a 12-year limited warranty. So what makes these sights so great is going to be how they're not only tritium, but also fiber optic. So here on the back, they also talk a little more about the orange ring. So here we have a little example on how the tritium and fiber optics works. So we do have that fiber optic, which pretty much glows during the day. And then right next to that, we do have the tritium vial. And so when it comes to sights, you pretty much can't get any better than that. They're going to be great not only for night, but also for day, which ultimately makes these a no-brainer. So if you can see from the side of the package, you can kind of see how the fiber optics is actually glowing. And that's going to be because it's capturing all of that light through the top of that fiber optic. And so these sights are really loved by many, and with reason. So overall, I definitely recommend them.